Hello students, welcome to the 7th lesson of Keyboard Beginner Lesson Series. I hope you have watched all the lessons of the series and I hope you all are working to achieve what has been taught throughout in the lessons of this series. I just want to take a short recap of the previous lesson, what we have covered in the previous lessons. We have covered the notes on the keyboards, the major scales, the major chords, and the primary chords. All these topics we have covered in the previous lessons, and I hope you all have done all the topics very well. You have learned them by heart and you all have practiced them as well. In today's lesson, I will be teaching you how to make a minor scale, how to play a minor scale from any key, and how to make a minor chord as well. So let's start that. If you remember, students, that I have taught you one formula, how to make a major scale. If you remember that formula was tone, 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 semitone, tone, 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 semitone. So that was the formula for a major scale, and you must be also remember that in any scale there are 8 notes in a scale. All right, whether it's a major scale or whether it's a minor scale. So in today's lesson we will be covering and we will be learning how to make a minor scale. So for minor scale there is a slight change in the formula. There is a very little difference in the formula, and with the help of that formula you can make any minor scale as well. And that formula is tone, tone, semitone, tone, tone, semitone, tone, tone. All right. So again, there are 8 notes in a minor scale as well. All right. So tone, tone, semitone, tone, tone, semitone, tone, tone. All right. I'll repeat once again. Tone, tone, semitone, tone, tone, semitone, tone, tone. I hope you remember the previous formula as well. I have just repeated a minute back. So don't get confused with that. For minor scale, the formula, there is a slight change in the formula. So you have to first remember that formula. You have to first learn that formula by heart, and then you can apply that formula. Okay. So to make any minor scale, I'm showing you the example of a C minor scale first. Okay. So how to apply this? I have already told you the formula. Now how to apply this formula? All right. So I'm playing a C minor scale. So first we have to find the C key. So here is the C key, here is the C key, and here is the C key, and goes on. So I'm starting with the third C. So this is the third C. All right. So from this C I am making a minor scale. So as per the formula is tone, tone, semitone, tone, tone, semitone, tone, tone. So once we will find the first key, our first tone is done. For next tone, as you remember, for every tone we have to skip the next key. So after this C, this black key is coming, C sharp, so we will skip this. So this is our next tone. So tone, tone. Now as per the formula, our next note is semitone. So tone, tone, semitone. So where is the semitone? If you remember, for semitone we don't need to skip any key. So after this we will press this key. All right. Don't get confused. Don't press this key. So otherwise this will be your tone. All right. So we have to find now a semitone. So we will press this key. So tone, tone, semitone. Got it? Then again tone. So after this key, this key is coming, so I will skip this and I will press this. So this will be our next tone. So till now we have played tone, tone, semitone, and then tone, right? Now again what we have to find? Again we have to find a tone. Formula was tone, tone, semitone, tone, tone, semitone, tone, tone. So till now we have done tone, tone, semitone, tone. For the next tone, again we will skip this key and we will press this key because this key is coming next. So we will skip this. So this is our next tone. Alright. So till now we have done tone, tone, semitone, tone, tone. So next is again semitone. For semitone, right now we are on this key. So this key will be our semitone. So we will press this key. Alright. So till now what we have done? Tone, tone, semitone, tone, tone, semitone. Now only two tones are left now. So for next tone, after this key is coming. So we will skip this and we will play this. So this is our next tone. Alright. And there is one more tone is left. So after this key which we have already pressed, so we have to find the last tone. So after this key is coming. So we will not play this, we will play this. So this is our next tone. Right? So we have found all the keys. Tone, tone, semitone, tone, tone, semitone, tone, tone. Right? So this is our C minor scale which we have done. Alright, with the help of the formula. Now once we will find all the keys, so again you have to apply the same finger pattern which I have already taught you for the major scales. The same finger pattern we will apply. The finger pattern was 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. So the same finger pattern we will apply. So we have found all the keys. Tone, tone, semitone, tone, tone, semitone, tone, tone. Right? So now we will apply the finger pattern. Tone, tone, semitone, tone, tone, semitone, tone, tone. Or 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Right? So this is our C minor scale with the help of the minor scale formula. Alright? Very simple. Alright? Now, your chord is to play the minor chord. Again, it is a very simple thing. You have to simply, likewise, you are finding the major chord from the scale, within the scale. So the same pattern will apply here also in the minor scale. You have to take out the first, third and the fifth key within the scale and you have to press it. Okay, on a lower octave with your left hand. So in the minor scale, these were the keys 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got it? So we will take out the 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So these are the three keys which we have found. So these three keys will be our minor chord. Okay. So I'll press this three keys on my left hand. So this is our C minor chord. Right? C, D sharp and G key. So this is our C minor chord. And we have already found the scale. So all together how we will do this? Very simple. I hope you all have understood this. Next example again I will show you of D minor scale. Alright. And then you have to try by your own the other scales. Okay. So D minor scale, first we have found the D key. So our first tone is done. For next tone after this key is coming. So we will skip this and we will press this. So this is our next tone. So tone, tone. Our next is semitone as per the formula. So after this key, we don't, for semitone, you remember we don't need to skip any key. So this is our semitone. So tone, tone, semitone, right? So tone, tone, semitone. Our next is again tone. So for tone, we have to skip one key. So after this key is coming. So we will not play this. We will play this. So this is our tone. So till now what we have done? Tone, tone, semitone, tone. Again we have to find a next tone. So after this we will skip this and we will press this key. So till now we have done tone, tone, semitone, tone, tone, and then again semitone. So this is our semitone. For semitone we don't need to skip any key. So till now we have done tone, tone, semitone, tone, tone, semitone. Now we have two tones left. Alright. So after this key is coming because we have to find the tone. So we will not press this. We have to skip this and we will press this. So this is another tone. And last tone we also have to find. So we are on this key. So for tone again we have to skip one key. So this is the next key which is coming. So we will skip this and press this. So our D minor scale is done. We have found all the keys of D minor scale. So let's take a look. What were the keys we found? Tone, tone, semitone, tone, tone, semitone, tone, tone. Alright? Tone, tone, semitone, tone, tone, semitone, tone, tone. Now again we will apply the finger pattern which was 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, right? So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, right? So this is our D minor scale. We have found all the keys of D minor scale. Alright. Now to make a D minor chord, again we will take the first, third and the fifth key within the scale and we will done with our D minor chord as well. So these are the keys in the D minor scale. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have to take the first, third and the fifth. So this is first 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So these are the three keys which we have found. So we will play all these three keys on our left hand. So this is our D minor chord is done. And we will play both chord and scale together now. You all have understand. So now your task is to play the other minor scales from the natural keys by yourself. I'll see in the next tutorial. I will demonstrate you the other minor scales also from the natural keys. But till now your task is to at least 2 or 3 minor scales from the natural keys. Your task is you have to play by your own. Till the time, you all take care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you so much.